What are the React hooks?
So React hooks are nothing but you can say it is used to provide features like you can say states, lifecycle methods in functional components.
Oh, okay. What are difference between controller and uncontroller component?
So control components, what we can do is the form data. So it can be handled with the handled by React component. Uncontrolled your uncontrolled component is like in which the form data it can be handled by DOM.
Okay. What are the advantage of using React hooks?
Using React hooks is like we can use as I said in the hooks definition that we can use different features like states and lifecycle methods. So these kind of features we can use in functional components. So these are the advantages.
Okay. Uh, what is JSX?
So JSX is nothing but a JavaScript XML where what we can use HTML in React, we can say.
Okay. Hmm. What is difference between state and props?
So in state, what we can do is we can it is what we can say is we can use for storing the information, storing the information within the component for states, and for props is used for like passing the data from one component to another component.
Okay. What is use of key in React JS?
What is the use of?
Keys in React JS.
Okay,
Key.
so yeah, got it. So what happens is, so if we, so what happens, it will help to manage to like we can identify which items are you can say added or you can say removed. These kind of things we can help. It helps us to identify those kind of things.
Okay. What is higher order component?
Which component?
HOC. What is
Okay,
HOC?
okay, higher order component. So what HOC does is it accepts a component as an argument and returns a new component with an additional features. So what it does is we can with the help of this we can reuse the component. You can say whatever the logic you can say. We can reuse that logic.
Any example?
Example you can say like suppose a button is created, so we want to create two buttons but of different width or different size or different background colors. So with the help of that we can do it.
Okay. Mm. What is difference between real DOM and virtual DOM?
So real DOM, so suppose a line of code is D. So what in real DOM will happen is in real DOM it the processing will be done on the every processing will be done on every line of code so that so it will the processing will become slower in real DOM, and in virtual DOM what it will do is so a similar situation, a line of code is changed. So what it will happen is it will only process the change line of code. So that's due to which the processing becomes faster in virtual DOM.
Mm, Samyak, you can start.
Is the use memo?
So use memo, what it will do is it is used for avoiding re-rendering of components. So what it will happen is suppose a, data is not updated. So what it will do is so uh, before rendering the value is like a particular value 8, and after the processing the value will remain same, so it will avoid the re-rendering of the component.
Okay. Another time. No, no problem. Uh, what is the use context?
So use context is like it is used for you can say for the state management purpose, like it is an we can for the alternative purpose of use state, so that state can be managed globally.
Okay. So, what would you prefer? We have to use Redux or we have to use context?
For according to me, Redux, as for the larger projects, when we move on to larger projects, we have to move on Redux.
Any specific reason or?
Like you can say Redux. I haven't used context API much, but what I know is for the larger projects, we mainly prefer Redux.
Got it, got it. Uh, can you please explain me the hosting?
So what it will do is it is used to like we can move the declaration of variable at the top of the scope. You can say hosting. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me send you one code in chat.
Yeah.
Can you please explain it how this function?
3 x 12 equals to
Okay.
x.
Can we do one thing? Can you please open new tab in Chrome?
X is equal
Yes,
to
I have
dot
sent you
x.
this link. Can you please open this link?
Yeah, sure. You want the first output, right?
Yes.
Function one will be console log
Just
dot.
copy this block of the code.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes, and paste it over there. Yes. Remove this whole button.
It will be like first it will log x. It will be printing 2 and 12.
Okay, so what about this set timeout?
Set timeout, like it will print after so it is the same for both, so there won't be any difference.
So it will not wait for 3 seconds
Yeah,
or
yeah, it will
direct.
wait, but it will print like first 2 and then 12.
Okay, can you please run that one?
uh,
Okay, right? So it will wait for 3 seconds and then print 2 and 12.
yeah.
Let me send you one another code. Can you please copy that code and paste it here?
uh,
It's a second tab.
yeah, basically set timeout. Okay. Parent 3. uh,
Copy and paste it
zero.
over.
Okay. All completely. Uh, zero. The loop. It will 0 1 2. Uh, it will print 3. It will print 3. just a second, huh? It will print three times.
How?
What it will do is it won't be going for the 0, 1, 2, and it will print 3 for the three
Mm.
times.
Why not going for 0, 1, and 2?
As it is a variable declaration
Hmm?
where we are using.
Okay, just remove that where and take it as a let. No, no,
Should I
please
run?
don't run.
Okay, okay. You want value, right?
Hmm.
It will be 0, 1, 2.
Okay, and then please run it. Okay, why it print 0, 1, and 2?
As the let we are using let if you use where, then it will print three three times. Yeah.
Okay, let me send you another code. It's related to object.
Okay.
Copy
Excel.
this one and paste it over there.
Okay. It is Excel. It is John. Profile. Uh, exercise name Jake. Name of okay. Right. It will be printing. It will print name. Okay, I yeah, it will print name.